Hi, it's a really nice and sunny day. Yeah, it is sunny. Well, technically it hasn't been raining for a few days, which is like a miracle. Anyway, it's a really nice day in April and we need to celebrate, definitely. So I'm on my way to go to picnic with my friends, you know, the friends that I always meet up in Hitunpark, which is really near to my place. I think it's really lucky because it's not really sunny. If it's too sunny, I feel like I'm burning myself. After having lots of sun, you got headache, so I need to get paracetamol or something like that. So I prefer slightly cloudy but really warm breeze, and today is exactly that day. And I made some pasta salad to share. So let's go for a picnic. Woohoo! Green. So I see.
It's okay if it's frozen.
We have like a bunch of food, ton of food, which is good. We have watermelon. We have sausage roll. No, we have sausage roll.
Vegetarian sausage roll.
Vegetarian sausage roll. Hummus. And lots of hummus dip. Lots of crisps. Nice.
I've got good thighs anyway. That's the main thing.
So this is the salad, pasta salad that I made. It's a pesto. And everyone is here apart from Bradley. Where's Bradley?
I miss pesto.
Now I'll give him a call. I'm probably not awake yet.
And Rox just finished the assignment, like entire assignment.
It's a vegetarian sausage roll.
So like so relaxing, I know. So we're gonna enjoy today. Yay!
You make it yourself.
It's my first time to make like pasta salad, so I'm not really sure how it tastes.
It'll be good anyway, I'm sure. You can add more pesto if you want.
So prepared.
I'm so excited. Is it cheese or tofu?
It's mozzarella.
It's like a fishbowl.
What?
I keep thinking why you put fishbowl inside.
That one is fishbowl. No way. It's just mozzarella. There's no way.
Yes.
Vegetarian sausage roll?
Of course.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh yeah?
Remember the Beatles? It's his dead wife.
Really? Oh, that is quite sad.
It's your favorite dog? Yeah.
Stop! It's alright.
It's alright. Sorry.
Oh. Come here. That's so cute.
This is my second one.
Ew.
Josh, did it.
One go. One go.
One go.
Yum.
I think the best thing of British weather is you can just lie down in the grass because there are lots of grass. Because of lots of rain and it's not really hot, so it's best place and best environment to growing up. It is best environment to growing up the grass, and it is best place to growing up my friends as well. Yeah, here's my friends for you. Oh, such a cute couple. Oh, that was nice. Oh, it wasn't.
Queen!
We have loads. We are now finishing off our picnic. It's getting windy and cloudy again. Bye everyone. See you next time. Bye. weekend and really nice sunny day. So I'm on my way to go to my friend's place. She has a nice garden, back garden I think. She invited me for hanging around in her house, so let's go. Well, door number 3. Oh my god, this is a plant that you're growing up?
Yeah, I just transplanted those yesterday out of the tiny ones and I've put them in individual ones.
Oh, so cute.
So,
what are they? They're hops or?
lots of different things. So that's tomatoes, that's Livingston daisies, that's morning glories, which I thought could
so cute.
fill up that space of dead hedge.
Oh,
Good idea. That's hollyhock.
okay.
And I've got violas and petunias. And then lots of lobelia and stuff, which is like trailing, so it will go over the
Right,
edges of the
okay,
stuff.
no, that's so cute.
So it was very exciting.
Yeah, yeah, sounds really exciting. How do you call them, that yellow thingy?
I don't know, but it's very pretty.
Yeah.
I need to talk to Adrian really and find out what his plan is. Because if his plan is to completely dig up the driveway and or dig up, not that we have a driveway, but dig up the front and put a driveway in there, then I'm not going to invest a lot of hours.
So we are in the garden of Sandra's. So good. I really love this place.
Me too.
Catherine explained how much effort you should put in this garden, and it's amazing. There are turtles. How many turtles you've got?
Turtles what?
How many turtles you've got?
2.
And 6 guinea pigs.
Yep. It's like kids.
Yeah, we are enjoying sun. It's really nice day. What's that face, Sandra?
What? It's no makeup face.
Oh. Yeah, this is happen when you just suddenly bring the camera to your friends.
So mean.
Yeah, we are enjoying sitting in the garden. What else we're gonna do today? Just enjoying sun.
Yep.
Cool. Fair enough.
Unless you want to something.
Don't know.
What are you watching?
You will now see him attempt to
Oh, I see.
You are very attractive indeed. Those shoes especially. Straight for the shoes. Look.
Who's attacking?
He thinks I'm female. When they want to mate with a female.
Really? So it's a season.
It's always his season. He's never out of season.
Really?
Anytime anybody comes
Wow.
to he's so quick. I know he is. Very fast.
He's probably not a turtle then.
It's tortoise.
Tortoise.
Tortoise are in sea.
Right,
We don't
okay.
walk. Tortoises are quite fast. Can you hear him hissing?
Go for it, go for it. Bite her. Bite her.
Don't go with him.
Beat her. You can do it. But this is how he exercises.
Yeah, exactly. You walk.
Okay.
He then look, he's biting. Climbs on top.
But actually he thinks that that shoes is a female tortoise. That's quite sad.
Yeah.
for a tortoise. There's another female over there. Ooh.
What you doing?
Aww. So cute. That is so funny. It's like, do you know it's like Planet Earth documentary?
Save that and eat your heart out. He'll make a funny noise in a minute. Oh, I can't believe you interrupted him halfway through.
What do you want me to do? Stand here till it finishes?
Dude, let me go again. He thinks he's in there now.
Giving him hope.
I hope he's not going to bite me, is he?
He's not. No, he's just going to make a rather funny noise in a moment. Once he's... I just made with your shoe. I can't. That's so funny.
Well, thank you, I guess.
So you and Oscar are married now.
Well, actually, it's my shoe that is married.
What is that sound?
When he's going to finish?
I have no idea. I've never let him get that far with my shoes.
Ah, that's so funny. They
Well, we
haven't
have
finished
nothing
it.
interesting for him. Come on.
Other than female.
You need a shoe.
No, he's not interested. Oh, it's quite dangerous. Nearly bite you.